Hi wonderful person, welcome in Jakarta, Indonesia. Let me take you on hotel tour of the extremely Instagrammable, stylish luxury hotel ASHLEY TANG MENTENG, Jakarta. Hotel design is inspired by modern boutique Chinese Shanghai Concept Hotel. Hotel ASHLEY TANG MENTENG, Jakarta, located right in center of Jakarta in Sampang area. Let's go inside, I will show you everything. Motorcycle and car parking area. On the ground floor, hotel lobby. Laundry room. Laundry room 24 hours, equipped with the latest washing and drying machine, iron board and standing steamer. If you don't want to wash yourself, no problem. In each room you can find laundry list and bag like this, which you can fill up with dirty clothes and give to staff for laundry. Cantonese restaurant. Internet corner. Gym 24 hours, equipped with the treading mills, static bikes and dumbbell set. And bar. Now we are in the smallest and so cozy room, Deluxe View Queen room, with huge window and queen size bed. By the way, in all beds in these hotels, inside perfect king coil mattress. What we have here more? JBL Bluetooth speaker, bottled water, coffee, tea, universal plug. In all rooms, smart TV with Netflix access. Wi-Fi speed test in the room showed the following results. Closet for your luggage and clothes, slippers, safety deposit box, toothbrushes, hair dryer, fresh towels and shower. This is superior queen room. Large bed, smart TV with Netflix, water, coffee, tea, Bluetooth speaker, amazing mirror, closet, toothbrushes, hair dryer, fresh towels, shower. The biggest executive queen room, large bed, 50-inch smart TV, Netflix, coffee machine, tea maker, place for reading, fridge, wonderful mirror, large closet, toothbrushes, comb, hair dryer, fresh towels and shower. I spent here 2 days and this was a really nice time. Wonderful, friendly staff and pleasant atmosphere. I don't want even leave the hotel. If seriously, in my opinion, this hotel great for both business and tourist traveling also. near the Hotel ASHLEY Tang Menteng, located business center, Jakarta Old Town, Grand Indonesia Mall, Sabang Food Street, and the largest mosque in Southeast Asia, Istiklal Mosque. Room prices start from 60 to 90 US dollars per night, or 950,000 or 1,350,000 IDR. Welcome!